1. Who established the All India Harijan Sangh in 1932? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer. A. Mahatma Gandhi. 2. The chemical formula of laughing gas is A. CO2. B. N2O. C. CH4. D. NH3. Answer. B. N2O. 3. The first Indian satellite, Aryabhat, was launched in which year? A. 1972. B. 1975. C. 1977. D. 1980. Answer. B. 1975. 4. The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, RSS, was founded in which year? A. 1919. B. 1925. C. 1930. D. 1942. Answer. B. 1925. 5. Which state is the Silent Valley National Park located? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer. A. Kerala. 6. What is the rank of India in global steel production as of 2023? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Answer. B. Second. 7. Who coined the term Green Revolution? A. Norman Borlaug. B. M.S. Swaminathan. C. William Gord. D. Amartya Sen. Answer. C. William Gord. 8. Which Indian cricketer is known as the Little Master? A. Virat Kohli. B. Sunil Gavaskar. C. Sachin Tendulkar. D. Rahul Dravid. Answer. B. Sunil Gavaskar. 9. What is the currency of Switzerland? A. Euro. B. Pound. C. Swiss franc. D. Krona. Answer. C. Swiss franc. 10. The term FRBM Act is associated with which of the following? A. Fiscal responsibility. B. Forest resources. C. Freedom rights. D. Fundamental research. Answer. A. Fiscal responsibility. 11. What is the capital of Lithuania? A. Tallinn. B. Riga. C. Vilnius. D. Warsaw. Answer. C. Vilnius. 12. The deepest trench in the world, Mariana Trench, is located in which ocean? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Answer. B. Pacific Ocean. 13. The idea of directive principles of state policy in the Indian Constitution was borrowed from which country? A. USA. B. Ireland. C. Canada. D. UK. Answer. B. Ireland. 14. The Reserve Bank of India was established on the recommendation of which committee? A. Hilton Young Commission. B. Simon Commission. C. Butler Commission. D. Hunter Commission. Answer. A. Hilton Young Commission. 15. The book, An Era of Darkness, was written by A. Shashi Tharoor. B. Arundhati Roy. C. Vikram Seth. D. Salman Rushdie. Answer. A. Shashi Tharoor. 16. The term Indus Valley Civilization was coined by whom? A. Sir John Marshall. B. Alexander Cunningham. C. R. D. Banerjee. D. Daya Ram Sahni. Answer. A. Sir John Marshall. 17. Which Indian state is the Koledo National Park located? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer. B. Rajasthan. 18. Who was the last Mughal emperor of India? A. Bahadur Shah I. B. Bahadur Shah Zafar. C. Aurangzeb. D. Shah Jahan. Answer B. Bahadur Shah Zafar. 19. The ozone layer protects the Earth from which type of radiation? A. Infrared radiation. B. Ultraviolet radiation. C. X-rays. D. Gamma rays. Answer B. Ultraviolet radiation. 20. What is the tenure of a judge in the International Court of Justice? A. 5 years. B. 7 years. C. 9 years. D. 10 years. Answer C. 9 years. 21. The term open market operations is related to which organization? A. WTO. B. RBI. C. IMF. D. SEBI. Answer B. RBI. 22. The National Waterway 1 connects which two places? A. Allahabad and Haldia. B. Varanasi and Kolkata. C. Delhi and Agra. D. Mumbai and Goa. Answer A. Allahabad and Haldia. 23. Which Indian city is known as the City of Pearls? A. Jaipur. B. Hyderabad. C. Surat. D. Lucknow. Answer B. Hyderabad. 24. Who was the first Indian to join the Indian Civil Services (ICS)? A. Satyendranath Tagore. B. Dadabhai Nauroji. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer A. Satyendranath Tagore. 25. Which country is the largest producer of uranium in the world? A. Canada. B. Kazakhstan. C. Russia. D. Australia. Answer B. Kazakhstan.